In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix gaps on your charts in TradingView so your price action looks smooth and easier to analyze. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, right-click anywhere on the chart and go to Settings. Now, in the Settings panel, look for the Symbol or Status Scales section, depending on your layout. Here, you'll find an option called Session Breaks or Gaps. If it's enabled, try turning it off. This removes visible gaps caused by market closures and makes your chart look more continuous. Next, another quick method is to change the chart style. Click on the chart type at the top and switch from candlesticks to something like line or step line. These chart types naturally smooth out gaps because they connect closing prices instead of showing each candle separately. If you still want candlesticks but without gaps, click on Indicators at the top and search for No Gaps Candles. Add this indicator to your chart. This indicator redraws the candles in a way that removes visual gaps, giving you a much cleaner flow of price movement while still keeping the candlestick structure. You can also customize the indicator settings to match your chart style so everything looks clean and easy to read. That's it. With these simple tweaks, you can eliminate distracting gaps and make your charts much more visually consistent. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.